Chapter 1. The Green Plants. Let's learn leaf and its parts, functions of a leaf, how do green leaves produce food, interdependence of plants and animals. All living things need energy to survive. The source for this energy is the food that they consume. The green plants are the primary producers. That is, they prepare their own food through a process known as photosynthesis. The photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves. Humans and animals that cannot produce their own food depend directly or indirectly on the green plants for their food. Leaf and its parts. A leaf is a flat structure growing from the stem or branch of a plant. Different plants have leaves of different shapes and colors. The green leaves are a plant's kitchen. The green color of leaves is due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. The main parts of a leaf are 1. Lamina. It is the broad, flat part of the leaf. It is also called leaf blade. 2. Apex. It is the pointed tip of the leaf. 3. Midrib. Midrib is the main vein that runs along the center from which many small veins, that is, side veins, branch off. These veins are hollow tubes which help in the transport of water and minerals. 4. Petiole. It is the part that joins the leaf to the main stem or branch. The undersurface of every leaf has tiny openings or pores called stomata. Singular stoma. Stomata helps plants to breathe. Two bean-shaped structures called guard cells surround the stomata. Guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata. Functions of a leaf. The main functions of a leaf are to produce food through photosynthesis, to exchange gases, CO2, carbon dioxide, and O2, oxygen, through stomata, to store food as in cabbage, to release extra water absorbed by the roots through the stomata in the form of water vapor. This process is called transpiration. Reproduction through vegetative propagation as in bryophyllum. How do green leaves produce food? Green plants make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves. That is why leaves are called the food factory or the kitchen of a plant. The following things are required by a plant to carry out photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, light, water, chlorophyll. In this process, light energy from the sun is absorbed by the green pigment called chlorophyll present in leaves. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through stomata. Water is taken by the roots and supplied to the leaves. Light energy from the sun allows the production of glucose, that is food, by the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is also produced as a byproduct. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of light energy and chlorophyll gives glucose plus oxygen. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun. Carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Water, carbon dioxide and the energy of sunlight combine in the leaf to make sugar. Water is absorbed through the roots and carried through the stem to the rest of the plant. Oxygen and water vapor exit the leaf through the stomata. Water loss from leaves is called transpiration. Excess sugar is stored as starch, that is food. Interdependence of plants and animals. Animals and plants depend on each other for their survival. Plants produce food by photosynthesis. These plants are eaten by plant-eating animals or herbivores. These herbivores are in turn eaten by flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Thus, all animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. A chain that shows how one organism is dependent on another organism for food is called a food chain. Grass eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper eaten by frog. Frog eaten by snake. Snake eaten by hawk. A food chain. Plants also depend on animals in many ways, such as decomposers break down the dead matter and help in the recycling of nutrients in the soil which plants need to survive. Info Hive. Plants not only provide us with food but also oxygen, which is must for our survival. They also provide medicines, spices, etc. Animals help in pollination or transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another. It is important for reproduction in plants. Animals also help in the dispersal of seeds over a wide area. This reduces the competition for nutrients among growing plants in one area. Thus, interdependence of plants and animals maintains a healthy balance in nature. Recap. Green plants produce their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Green leaves are the kitchen of a plant. Green color of leaves is due to the presence of a green pigment, chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is a process by which a plant produces its food using energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll. Plants and animals are interdependent on each other.